again.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I customized and installed this wig. I will be tinting this wig on camera and all of that, and then doing the install and everything. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Actually, I won't stop this video, let me just continue. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. So the tint that I used for this video is the tailored crowned lace tint, and I used the shade Almond, and all I did was just spray it all over the hair, and then went in with the blow dryer to make sure, the tint was dried and soaked in and pretty much melted in the lace. So all I did was just spray the hair tint on it and then use the blow dryer to blow it. I also forgot to mention that this hair is from my hairline Hairsnstn, and I will be leaving all the links down below. This is my 613 hair in the length 30 inches. Now all the wigs do come pre-plucked and customized, so if you're supposed to order a wig from me, it's always plucked and customized, bleached and all of that. So I am just plucking this hair a little bit more. And if you realize the way how I am plucking it, I am parting out some of the, like, almost, I don't know what that area of the head is called, but I almost wanted to give it like the peak look. I don't know if I'm saying the right term, but yeah, like those two middle section that you see me part out, and I went back and I kept like going back with it. I wanted like that part to pretty much be empty, like I didn't want any hair there, so I was poking mostly in the corners to get somewhat of a hairline. So I didn't want it to just go straight across. I wanted to look like I actually made a hairline. So that's why, as you can see me doing the pattern that I wanted it to be almost like a snake pattern, right? So that's what I did, and then I am just putting a little bit more tint on the front part of the lace, so the entire lace is tinted, not just the middle part that I will be parting, but the hairline as well, because that's the main thing, to make sure the hairline is blended, so you could have like a flawless install. If the hairline is not blended properly, then the install will not come out great, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and I tinted the hairline also, just so it could blend a little bit more. And then I am pretty much just doing what I always do for all of my hair videos, the center part, if I'm doing a center part or side part. So I normally just part it on whatever parting that I want, and then I use my hot comb and my flat iron to either straighten it or curl it, and the whole 9 yards. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I customize this hair, and then come back when I'm doing the install. So now I'm just using my Fenty foundation just to blend my stocking cap a little bit more so it looks more realistic and to my skin tone. Also, I had already sprayed down the stocking cap with my Got To Be spray, so that's why it's already, stuck down on my head. It's not lifting up or anything. So I already did that, and I will be using the glue that I will be using today actually is from HAIRBYERICKJA, and I will be using her Hold Me Down adhesive glue. And what did I say? Adhesive glue, like adhesive is not glue, but anyways, I'll be using the glue from HAIRBYERICKJA, and trust me guys, it is the best thing since sliced bread, because I didn't even do the proper install with it and it still melted my hair. I used my makeup remover actually to remove the makeup that was right at the hairline, at the stocking cap, because I didn't have any alcohol to do that. And I was just like, you know what, since my wipes normally cleanse my face, normally take the makeup off, so maybe I could just use that. So I ran out of alcohol, and that's why I had to use that. So like I said, I didn't do the proper install or the proper process of the installation of the hair, and it still came out nice to me. Okay, so just imagine if I had really followed like the actual steps of using the alcohol and doing 3 layers, because I think I only did 2 layers actually for this install. I didn't do the full 3 layers, and it still came out cute. So yeah, Erica J, you did your thing with this glue, sis. I also forgot to mention that I did use the foundation on the wig itself as well. I went in and I did a little bit more blending with it, because like I said, I was really trying to get this hair to look like my hair. You know what I'm saying? I was really trying to get it blended to my skin tone. And even though I've been doing wigs for like a couple months now, I'm still not yet perfect with it. So I'm still learning little techniques here and there, and I just wanted literally to just get this hair down to the T. Like, I wanted it to be installed properly so bad. Like, I took my time actually with this install. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I do this install, because it's pretty much self-explanatory. The only thing that I did different was cutting the lace. So you will see when I'm doing like the cutting of the lace to put down the glue, I pretty much cut the lace into small sections and glued it into small sections, and that way, like, I handled the hair a little bit better, and I was in control of where I was placing the glue and all of that. You guys will see exactly what I'm saying, but yeah, I started doing it right here. So I did like small sections, cut it into different sections, and then went in with the glue at different sections and whatever. So now I am just gonna show you guys exactly what I did, and then I'll get back to you guys, because it's pretty much self-explanatory. I just put the glue, use the hair to mark it to make sure it's not over the hairline and more behind the hairline. So if it needs more glue, fine, but if it's too much, then it won't come out looking pretty. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I do that, and then I'll get back to you guys at the end of the video. Okay, so I just came back to mention to you guys that the heat, the level that I was using for this part was the highest, so it was very hot. But I didn't keep it on one side, on one section too long, I should say. I kind of, went back and forth because it was hot. Like I did it on the highest heat, so my hair would literally melt down. Okay, so yeah, and now I'm just cutting off the hair, the lace, I should say, and whatever needed more glue, I went in and added more glue. Whatever needed to be fixed, I went in and I fixed it. So yeah, also this thing that I'm using to cut the lace, you can get it from any beauty supply store. I bought one, I think it was probably $2, and it came with three in the pack. So yeah. And this is just the final section or the final part of the video, just putting some bio oil in it and pretty much just doing the finishing touch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. And if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, then please let me know, and I will definitely do more for you guys. But until then, see you guys next time.